TeckWrap sent me this amazing packet of things to try. We have heat transfer vinyl, we have sublimation vinyl, we have sublimation paper, tools, we have vinyl sticker paper, and heat transfer paper. And this is what we're going to be trying out today. It's the printable TeckWrap vinyl sticker paper. This starter TeckWrap kit is just amazing. It has beautiful colors in it. These on the end here are the lamination sheets and then the printable paper for the inkjet printer. So I'm going to pick one of these out and we are going to get started. This beginner pack has so many great pieces of paper and works so well in the inkjet printer. So again, this is TeckWrap vinyl sticker paper. And so I am going to have a link below for this as well. But I started in my Creative Fabrica here. I went into my account and I was looking for stickers. I thought the easiest way to do this would be to download some stickers. So I downloaded this Highland Cow Pack. I downloaded some other ones here too. Let's see. These cute monster stickers. And I downloaded this Boho Christian. And so I have them already downloaded. So then I pulled them into my Cricut design space here. And so they came in as stickers. So now I am going to do the print and cut on these. And so I will get these printed onto the vinyl sticker with a inkjet printer. I know usually I talk about sublimation, but today we're just going to use a color inkjet printer. So let's get these going. So here is that printed vinyl right out of the printer. And now we're going to be adding the lamination sheet to it. Now you can see that I have the lamination sheet on. You can see the stars in the background. I picked the star. So when you're putting it on, be sure to burnish it as you're putting it on. And here it goes, cutting them out. It's reading the corners and then it's going to cut. I used a light grip mat to cut these out, and you can see that holographic effect. It's just adorable. Then I trimmed them out from the sheet so that you could give them as a gift, but this one I'm keeping for myself. I just love it. You can see the holograph in the lamination there, and I am going to stick this somewhere, maybe on my Cricut. And here they are. They just look amazing. I'm trying to get it so you can see the holographic look to the top. I did decide to stick it on my Cricut. It is just adorable. It cut out absolutely perfectly. You can see the excess on there. This one was the white, and then I put that star holograph on there, and it is just beautiful. They all turned out amazing. Love it. I highly recommend this TeckWrap printable sticker paper. I will have a link below and a coupon code. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.